50, 52 this year, then this is new forecast data right away. Yeah? That is powerful for, ChatGPT. Yeah? And you give them for ChatGPT. Now you're able to do it. Yeah? Right? Yeah. So easy, so exciting, right? Okay? So, in conclusion, you should use ChatGPT for your final project. And you should put your resume, and you have that experience. You may be the early mover to apply for jobs, to replace my wife. Yeah? So the lucky MBA, right?
So what will happen to them, those who are losing their job?
In general, there will be always some new things that are coming. Always, right? You worry about, cultural revolution. You worry about computer, you worry about machine, always some new job coming. But in the long run, human will be better off. Very soon, in Canada, which I predict, we're working on 4 days, right? Everybody work 4 days, everybody have jobs, right? And that's called universal income. If you replace, you get basic income from government, like during COVID-19. Who are in Canada during COVID-19? Everybody can get $2,000 from free money from government, do nothing, right? So that's a no doubt for that. But make sure you should have a job, yeah, and high paid job, right? And the rest of the people, that's fine. Yeah, this opportunity for you. Okay.
Professor, can you explain more about for the supervised machine learning? We have to put the label. What's the tricks? I mean, how to put the label? Because I'm not sure if ChatGPT can do the job. Put the label. So put the label is the pre-processing, right? We have to clean the data set and then put the label required for the supervised machine learning.
Yeah, that's a good question. So as we reviewed, right, in the last 30 years, because of the computer revolution, and you guys, everybody, every business are creating a lot of data, right? It's called labeled data. And pretty much all this data is knowledge inside already, which then means you have a label inside. So basically, for example, this kind of tumor, breast cancer, yeah, that's label. This kind of tumor, no breast cancer. Right? Then they already have this information, right? And for example, who is going to Churn, your telecom, operator? What a lot of data. This kind of customer, they left already. Yes. This kind of customer still with us? No. So they were already there. You just manually have to collectively, you make sure that it's correctly labeled, right? If not there, you do some label, it's a lot of work, right? Some of the company doing it for that, right? You can use ChatGPT to do that. But I assume that data set you collect, they should have the knowledge label already inside. Yeah? That's why I call classification problem. Otherwise, a lot of work for you to do. Yeah? So you should have this label. So what kind of data set for your team?
It should be the alcohol consumption and life expectancy.
Yeah. So you should have how many alcohol can consume? What's the average life? Yeah.
So it should be from
the label already there. The label, right? You just say you could be it's a numerical the exact number. You could divide. What's the average age for global right now?
Yeah, WHO have.
Yeah, what's the average age?
The life expectancy.
Say 70 or 70 years old. I don't know what's the number, right? Then anything over 90 right? This is very long life. Yeah, 90 to 80 is long life. 70 is average. Sometimes 50. So this is label. You need to put some label. You can do by computer for you. No, Excel can do it.
Okay.
Yeah, you have a very long life. Anything over 90. 90 to 80 is long life already. Yeah. Then average is average. Yeah. So this thing you need some research paper to classify. Yeah. This models. Okay, you got it right. You should have this label already by default. Okay. So any issue, right? So for your final exam, I'll give you very small data set. Then you work together as the students are very long, maximum 8 hours. Then you submit the answer to 20-hour market. Yeah, and we should not complete, right? Because you focus on what you are focused, right? What's your focus on your project?
Classification.
Classification. Yeah, you are used classification. Feel free use the ChatGPT doing the work, right?
Hopefully I can manage the syntax.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That means you're passed already. Yeah. Now you want to get an A. Yeah. You get some interesting result. Yeah. And so what do you focus on your project? Classification. What a fancy one, right? Tableau or K-mean, right? You focus that. Yeah. You work together. Same data set. You're not quite dependent, right? Yeah. If your team did very poorly, but you show me what you pass. Oh, you pass A quality work. I will consider that. I'm very fair with you. Yeah? Yeah? But your team should support each other. Okay? Because in general, every job, right?
Final exam, you report or something. What's the format?
It's a report. It's a report.
What's the
Yeah.
word limit?
Pardon me?
The word limit? How many words?
No word limit. Yeah.
Is there a minimum word limit?
No. Probably, my previous exam is 5 pages. Right? Probably you got 10 pages maximum. I don't want to, yeah?
Should we also?
Yeah, APA, yeah.
AP, so we need to find a references.
The reference, whatever you like put it, right? Reference ChatGPT. Yeah. So you put there, yeah? So 10 pages. Yeah, I don't want the long answer, right? Everybody focus on your answer. What's your answer? What's your answer, right? Use the.
So we don't need to like write a lot of like introduction.
No. All this is maybe I don't know. Maybe only like answer my 5 questions. Question answer.
Also, you have some questions.
Yeah. Because you need to write on your final report. I'm not decided yet, right? Maybe simple the 5 questions you answer. Yeah. Right? Nothing else. Yeah. You don't want to fancy, right? Because you need to write on your report on your project. Yeah. So now you not an exam. But you do to solve the problem, right? Yeah? Okay? Say 6 hours, 8 hours, yeah? Like in the morning, or whatever, 8 o'clock, you submit by 6 o'clock before dinner. Is it 8 hours? It's 10 hours. I don't know. I'm okay with that. Yeah. Okay. So what's the time? There's a lot of good things, but I cannot show you that ChatGPT. So everybody in this channel? ChatGPT. Okay, let me try this. It's possible problem. I don't know why.
Oh, like one
Okay, it's not working. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so that's all for today.
the